Well, here I am again. Another fine mess. Oh boy. Trying to put a water pump on this front load washer. There's my pump there. Got some water. I don't know if you can see down that hole, some debris down in there, but it's nothing. The propeller is tore up on this pump, so I'm going to look here, boy, this thing got more bricks on it than a little bit. These front load washers ain't worth a nickel. Man, I tell you. Well, I'm gonna pause this, y'all, until I get this pump out of here. Then I'll show y'all what's wrong with it, okay? Just give me a minute. Front load GE washer. Yeah, get this pump out. Go out to the truck for a minute and I'm gonna let that run until I get back. Alright, let's see, gotta get this pump on here. Alright. Alrighty, y'all. I got the pump out. Now, I'll put the tab down and then let you see what caused me to fix this pump to go down. I don't know for sure. Ah, boy. There's the pump right there. Okay. Let's take this pump down. Then I'll show you what it looks like when I take it down. Show you what it looks like when I take it down. Alright, y'all, back again. We paused this for a few minutes. But there it is. You see that? That's just supposed to come out of that. So that just normally where this is going to be at apartment number 1 down at the towers. Just normally where if nothing was in there, it just wore out. See that? It looks like it's broke there. It did. But it wasn't nothing in there. Just normally wore out. Okay, y'all. I just wanted to show you that. I got a brand new one in a box right here. Let me see here just for a minute. See, can I get this pump open up? See what it looks like. I think this is the pump here. I think this is it. See. Yep. Didn't even have to break it down. Good. Man, look at that. I didn't even have to break it down. That pump there came completely assembled. Ain't that great? I ain't got to do nothing but stick that back in there. Let's see. Wait a minute now. Hold up. We got some kind of change going on here. Oh. That's the front, that's the back. Them holes, I think I'm going to have to use this. Because you know why I say that? Because see, my 2 mountain holes is right here. And these are different setups. Let me go in there and see if I got some mountain holes on the side. I don't doubt it though. If it is, I'm going to take this pump off. So I'm going to take that pump off. 1, 2, 3. Yes. I can take the pump off. Sure is. Well, okay, y'all. Let me figure out what I got to do here. Talk to you later.